Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sync files between your devices with Google Drive. So syncing files between devices with Google Drive ensure that your files are always up to date and accessible across all devices where you are signed in. So this is a step-by-step guide on how you can sync your Google Drive files across different devices. First, you need to make sure that you sign Google Drive on your computer. So to sync your Google Drive files on your computer, you need to use Google Drive for desktop. This app allows you to sync files and folders between your computers and Google Drive. So you can just download and install the Google Drive for desktop. You can find it on the Microsoft Store if you are using Windows laptop or computer. And after that, you can just sign in with your Google account and choose folders to sync, and you can just sync all files and folder or select specific folder. And to access the file, your Google Drive will create a Google Drive folder on your computer. You can just file store in the My Drive sections in here will be available in the Google Drive folder or your computer. So any changes made to the files in the Google Drive folder on your computer will be uploaded to Google Drive Cloud Storage. Similarly, any changes made in Google Drive Online will be synced to the Google Drive folder on your computer. And if you want to sync Google Drive on Android, you can just because Android Google Drive is already integrated into the system and it syncs file automatically with your Google account, so you don't need to sync it again. If you want to sync with iOS device, because Google Drive for iOS works similarly to the Android app, syncing files across your devices with your Google account. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.